Looking for an affordable and reliable bench power supply for electronics repair, DIY projects, Arduino, or laboratory testing? The WANPTK adjustable DC power supply could be exactly what you need. Available in 30V5A, 30V10A, 60V5A, and 120V3A versions, it offers precise voltage and current control, a bright LCD display, and stable switching output for accurate and dependable performance. Whether you're a hobbyist, student, or professional technician, there's a model to match your needs. But is it really worth buying? Let's find out. One of the biggest advantages of this power supply is its fully adjustable voltage and current output. The controls are smooth and responsive, allowing you to set the exact values you need for electronics repair, PCB testing, Arduino projects, battery charging under controlled conditions, and many other applications. Whether you're just getting started or have years of experience, it's simple to use and delivers consistent results. The large LCD display shows real-time voltage and current readings, making it easy to monitor your settings while you work. This not only improves accuracy, but also helps protect sensitive electronic components by allowing quick and precise adjustments whenever needed. Thanks to its efficient switching power supply design, the unit provides stable output with good efficiency while producing less heat than many traditional linear power supplies. This makes it reliable for extended work sessions and everyday bench use. Another feature you'll appreciate is its compact and lightweight design. At only about 1.55 kilograms, it fits comfortably on almost any workbench without taking up much space, and it's easy to move between your workshop, classroom, or repair station. It also supports both 50 Hz and 60 Hz AC input frequencies, making it suitable for use in many countries. Plus, with models like the DPS 3010U, DPS 305U, DPS 605U, and DPS 1203U, you can choose the output range that best matches your requirements. On the positive side, you get precise voltage and current control, a clear LCD display, stable performance, compact size, and excellent value for the price. It's a great choice for electronics repair, DIY electronics, laboratory testing, and educational projects. The only drawback is that it doesn't list major international safety certifications, so professionals working in certified industrial environments may prefer certified laboratory equipment. Also, make sure you choose the correct voltage and current version before placing your order. Overall, the WANPTEK adjustable DC power supply is a dependable and budget-friendly bench power supply for hobbyists, students, electronics engineers, and repair technicians. If you're looking for reliable performance, accurate control, and great value without spending a premium price, this model is definitely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more honest product reviews, and check the links in the description for the latest price and availability. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.